Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel, your trusted source for discovering the latest, most powerful, and most reliable tech products on the market. Whether you're preparing for emergencies, building an off-grid setup, or just looking for dependable backup power, we've got you covered. In today's video, we're taking a look at 5 high-capacity portable power stations designed to deliver serious performance when you need it most. Let's dive right in. Number 5. Anker SOLIX F3800. The Anker SOLIX F3800 is a high-capacity portable power station with 3,840 watt-hours and 6,000 watts output, supporting both 120 volts and 240 volts power. It can run heavy appliances, RVs, and even EV-related loads. It uses durable LFP batteries, supports solar input up to 2,400 watts, and offers expandable capacity for long outages. With app control, multiple high-power outlets, and a 5-year warranty, it's built for serious backup needs. Number 4. Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus. The Jackery Explorer 5000 Plus delivers 5,040 watt-hours capacity and 7,200 watts output with dual voltage support. It uses LFP battery technology and includes a 0 millisecond UPS feature for uninterrupted power to sensitive devices. With 12 ports, app control, and solar input up to 4,000 watts, it's designed for reliable and flexible home backup, backed by a 5-year warranty. Number 3. ECOFLOW Delta Pro Ultra. The ECOFLOW Delta Pro Ultra is a scalable home backup system with 6,144 watt-hours per unit and 7,200 watts output. It supports 120 volts/240 volts and can expand to massive capacities and higher output levels. Built with LFP batteries, it features fast switching and multiple charging options, including solar, generator, and EV integration. Number 2. OUPES Guardian 6000. The OUPES Guardian 6000 offers around 4.6 kilowatt-hour capacity with 6,000 watts output and up to 9,000 watt surge. It supports both 120 volts and 240 volts loads and can expand to about 41 kilowatt-hours. It includes fast AC and solar charging, an EPS function with a 20 millisecond transfer time, and a sturdy build weighing around 111 pounds. Number 1. Goal Zero YETI 6000X. The Goal Zero YETI 6000X features a 6,000 watt-hour battery with 2,000 watt AC output and 3,500 watt surge capability. It supports appliances, RVs, and off-grid setups with multiple output options including USB and 12 volts. Weighing about 106 pounds, it includes a roll cart for easier movement and is designed for dependable long run times. And that wraps up our look at these 5 powerful portable power stations built for backup, off-grid living, and high-demand energy use. Each of these options brings something unique in terms of capacity, output, and expandability, giving you plenty of flexibility depending on your needs. If you found this video helpful, be sure to support the channel by liking the video and subscribing for more detailed reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching Best Reviews, and we'll see you in the next one.